ಮಳೆ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು. ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗ್ಲಿ.
Okay, this is where you can see the entire sleeping with the range of mountains. I think this is the Kanchenjunga. There are many others actually, but I think those are still not clear. You can see a bit. Fogged up like Banu helmet. Okay, we are here at the Kabur hotel now. It's getting cold and Banu had a bit of a cough and everything, so we plan to actually go to Monal homestay back because that's a bit lower altitude and its temperature is a bit better. It might rain again today, I'm not sure, so we packed up everything anyway. And before going, let me just show you the hotel where we stayed, Kabur. This is the place run by Tanay. Tanay, come to the video. And
hello.
Hey, Tanay is from Mumbai, but I think he fell in love with the Sikkim, right?
Yes.
So tell us about this place, the Hotel Kabur.
So Hotel Kabur, right now Pelling has around 160-170 hotels, but Hotel Kabur was the first hotel in Pelling way back in 1983.
1983, okay.
Yes.
Wow.
This is it's basically, you can say it's an institution in Pelling.
Correct.
And as you can see, it's got a very cozy restaurant as well.
Awesome.
We've got a fireplace for those cold winter nights.
Correct. So we had like the fireplace and everything actually really kept us warm, especially Banu. Place is really nice, and you have this beautiful view of the Kanchenjunga, which we got in the morning. I will show you that clip. That's the Kanchenjunga, right?
Yep.
And I think on a clear sunny day, you'll directly see from here the entire view. We got a little bit off in the morning, but yeah, on clear sunny day, and it's also on the 100 rupees note. It seems we thought of taking that picture, but it didn't clear that much. Yesterday we had the rain, so that's at least for that reason we got to see a bit of it. So you have a nice setup here overlooking the valley, and you have attic. It's in preparation, is it?
Yes.
Tanay, when it will be done?
So in a couple of days actually.
Couple of days itself, okay. So that would be a very nice place to actually, for the Insta people, that will be like perfect. You sleep there and morning you have like you'll wake up with the view of the entire Kanchenjunga. And thanks to actually Tanay, we had a really pleasant stay. And if you, I think you will not miss it. At the moment you enter actually the first hotel on the right, Hotel Kabur. So Tanay is the guy. I'll put the details in the description. You have to actually contact him for the place, and he'll also help you out with the place, like trails and places to go, the trekking and whatever. The things, everything, right?
Yes.
Everything
absolutely.
is. We'll have one more on last tea And this is JJ from Google. And he has a craze of collecting the क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Kukris.
Kukris.
These are like the local made, handmade Nepali knives. I've got 3 different sizes of these.
Okay.
This is the smallest one.
Okay.
And this is a bit kind of middle size, and this is the biggest one over here. And I'm clicking a picture for myself now.
I think many of the people actually dream about living all the corporate life, I mean IT life, and settle here away from in mountains and settle like a homestay or something like that. Tanay is actually living the dream. And I like this actually idea, the book swap. So it's like you keep 2 books and take 1, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so if you are already read 2 books and if you want, there are like a lot of nice collections here. Really nice. I like actually how this setup is and the entire thing. So nice. This is the IT life working from home happening here from almost 2 months.
You can stick it here.
Here,
This one, yeah.
Okay.
This is so cool.
So much.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Have a safe ride.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. We came back to Monal, and Banu is actually taking rest. And she is now sleeping. The cough has come down a bit after the medication, so I'm just for like evening. I'm just going for a round before it gets dark. Let's get to see something for today. वो क्लोज कर दिए, क्लोज है, कट हो रहा है, हाफ एन आवर लगेगा. Crazy. It's better to ride slow and see places than to rush and miss out on something. Let me enjoy the nature here. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆವರೆಗೂ ಮನೆ ಇದೆ. ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಮೌಂಟನ್ಸ್, ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಮೌಂಟನ್ಸ್. Beautiful, isn't it? And it's drizzling. We are back at the Monal homestay. It's nice to get the sun after so many days. Things are not going as we planned. We were supposed to do the North Sikkim from here, but we did couple of mistakes in our ride. We came to Darjeeling. As usual, we had a evening bath and all that. It's suppose you shouldn't have, and especially for that low temperature of 4 degrees Celsius and all. I think some of those mistakes, and we directly came to Darjeeling. That is a big temperature difference. I think probably because of that, the cold and cough, that's all. We went to doctor yesterday and checked it. Actually, it's just a cold and cough. She has the medicine now. It's getting a little better now, but thing is that I don't think we can continue to North Sikkim with that. So there is no other option actually. We cannot go anywhere else as well because we have come this far. Plan is it's a bit difficult now that Banu said she will actually go back because it will only like ruin both of our ride. So, and she will get better actually once she go back home. We'll take the flight to Bangalore, and I think then I'll head towards Gangtok and Gurgaon if possible. I'm not sure if I can do it all the parts of the North Sikkim or whatever the places I can do. I'll do that, and then I'll also take the return flight, which I've already booked actually for the 21st. So that's the plan for now. Bit sad actually Banu has to leave because she was like really excited for this trip, and even when I actually gave the option to take the flight to Siliguri instead of riding all the way on the highways, then she's like no, she wanted to like come with the ride as well, and she was like full of energy all throughout. Even now she's actually a bit sad at the going back, but so a difficult decision, but yeah, this I think we do. I couldn't do the Singshore Bridge because it got late, so I'm starting now. It's about 2 o'clock now. Let's go to Singshore Bridge. That's the bridge. Beautiful. I just wanted to have a better view from above, so I just took some random trail here, which is actually coming some off-road. It's nice. It might rain as well. There's a bit of cloud. I'm not sure. I love rain, but I kind of don't want to actually get rain here because it gets very cold, and any change in temperature I'm getting scared of my health as well, and it might actually spoil things. क्या हो गया? हाँ
कहाँ से हो आप?
बैंगलोर। सर्च करो यूट्यूब में AnnyArun बोल के।
AnnyArun
यही वाला पहला वाला।
ठीक है, मैंने भी सब्सक्राइब कर दिया। 82.5 के सब्सक्राइबर।
कहाँ मिलता है? थैंक यू। Okay, good morning. So this is the day I'm leaving the Monal homestay after I think almost 4 days here in Geyzing. Banu is leaving today. I'm feeling bad. She's also feeling bad. She's actually doing a bit better today, but we are still like, we have done anyway the East Sikkim part and everything. So everything what we have to do, North Sikkim will be like super cold. So it's best not to for her to actually take the fight. But thanks to actually Yogita from this Monal homestay and Tanay, actually they were like, he took really good care of us, and they're even actually waiting. So packed up everything. We'll be starting now.
फिर आओगे तो शादी करना है
एक अच्छे से लड़की ढूंढ के रखो. No problem, no problem. Bye, 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 bye.
बाय बाय
Yeah. Okay. Oops. Shit.
The road.
Road, I think slippery था थोड़ा. I twisted my eye, I think in the morning when we left. It's raining now. I'm at the airport now. Banu just got a flight, so she will be leaving to Bangalore today, and I'll be going to North Sikkim. And I just spoke to the Portuguese friend, so he said like probably tomorrow I won't get the permit because the permit office is usually closed on Sunday, but he said he will try. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Safe journey. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Banu just reached, but she forgot to take the house key. So I have a spare key with one of my friends, so she will use that. I have another 1 hour to Gangtok. It's pretty busy traffic road to Gangtok.